The pass line is the basic bet in craps. Your bet must be at least the table minimum. This bet always pays even money, meaning if you bet $10, you'll win $10. The person rolling the dice is the shooter. At the start of a new game, the first roll is called the coming out roll. If you're betting the pass line, a coming out roll of 2, 3, or 12 loses. Those are craps numbers. A roll of 7 or 11 wins, and the pass line is paid even money. Any other number rolled, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10, becomes the point. The goal of the shooter is to roll that point number again before they roll a 7. If they roll their point number, the pass line wins and the game is over. A new game will now begin with the same lucky shooter. If the shooter rolled a 7 before they roll their point number, the pass line loses and the game is over. The dice will now be passed to the next player and a new game begins. That's how the pass line works when you're playing craps.